to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, I'm going to be talking about Sideway Pavers design, and let's learn how to use Sideway Pavers to create a beautiful and inviting patio, walkway, or border. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Sideway pavers are a great way to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your outdoor space. They can be used to create a variety of different designs, from simple and understated to bold and dramatic. Sideway pavers are simply pavers that are laid on their side. This creates a unique pattern that can be used to add visual interest to your outdoor space. Sideway pavers are often used to create borders, pathways, and patios. The cost of sideway pavers will vary depending on the type of paver you choose, the size of your project, and the labor costs in your area. However, you can expect to pay anywhere from $5 to $20 per square foot. There are many benefits to using sideway pavers in your outdoor design. Some of the most notable benefits include: first, durability. Sideway pavers are made from durable materials, such as concrete or stone, which means that they will last for many years to come. Second, low maintenance. Sideway pavers are easy to maintain. They simply need to be swept or hosed off occasionally to remove dirt and debris. Third, versatility. Sideway pavers can be used to create a variety of different designs. They can be used to add a touch of elegance to a formal garden or a touch of whimsy to a child's play area. Fourth, eco-friendly. Sideway pavers are an eco-friendly choice. They are made from natural materials and do not require the use of harmful chemicals. If you have a gazebo, you can use sideway pavers to create a beautiful and inviting space. Here are a few tips. First, use a variety of different colors and textures to create a visually appealing design. Second, use a border of sideway pavers to define the space. Third, fill the center of the gazebo with flowers, plants, or other decorative elements. Fourth, add a seating area to your gazebo so that you can enjoy the space. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 best sideway pavers design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Classic border. Create a timeless look by using sideway pavers to outline your garden beds or pathways. The clean lines and simple design add a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. 2. Geometric patterns. Unleash your creativity by arranging sideway pavers in intricate geometric patterns. This modern approach can transform a plain patio into a stunning focal point. 3. Curved pathways. Add a touch of whimsy to your garden with curved pathways made from sideway pavers. The gentle curves guide visitors through your outdoor space, creating a sense of mystery and intrigue. 4. Mosaic patterns. For a truly unique look, create mosaic patterns with sideway pavers of different colors and sizes. This artistic approach can add a splash of personality to any outdoor area. 5. Water feature borders. Enhance the beauty of your water features by using sideway pavers to create elegant borders. The contrast between the smooth lines of the pavers and the flowing water is simply mesmerizing. 6. Stepping stones. Create a natural-looking pathway through your garden with sideway pavers used as stepping stones. This rustic design is perfect for adding a touch of charm to any outdoor space. 7. Outdoor room divider. Use sideway pavers to create a stylish and functional divider between different outdoor living areas. This versatile design can help to define spaces and create a sense of privacy. 8. Fire pit surround. Elevate your outdoor fire pit with a stunning surround made from sideway pavers. The durable and heat-resistant material is perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 9. Pool deck. Add a touch of luxury to your pool deck with sideway pavers. The sleek and modern design complements the clean lines of a swimming pool, creating a sophisticated and elegant look. 10. Pergola base. Use sideway pavers to create a solid and stylish base for your pergola. This design adds a touch of sophistication to your outdoor structure, while also providing a durable and low-maintenance surface. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to use sideway pavers to create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're looking for more inspiration, please subscribe to my channel, Homes Decor Designs. I post new videos every day on a variety of home decor and design topics. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.